Okay.
Right here, right?
Yeah. Hard as you can. Don't hold back. Oh, now you did it. It's just a Ford, dude. Jeez, relax.
Right, that is.
I don't like that. Hasn't been run for a while.
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh, you should. Wow, I didn't get you anything. Wow, brothers are so cool.
Yeah, I should remember that next time.
Yeah, whatever. Go to.
See about cork gaskets? Not cork.
Not cork?
I'm gonna say original factory stuck on there. Definitely hasn't been replaced in time soon.
Yeah, so nobody's torn this thing apart.
This thing's on there.
Well, just leave them on for now.
Yep.
We're gonna pull the heads. We can scrape them all in.
Next valve covers.
Hey, there's valves under there, or there's rockers and shit. Get them
Take all
springs.
those off. I'm glad those are not adjustable. That makes it nice.
Yeah.
Just slam jam the command. Woohoo! And then break the ratchet and.
You wanna? What's a 7/16? Get you something with that 1/2 inch drive. 7/16 in a long one. Yeah, groove it. Yeah, whatever. Quit your whining. I'm the one.
Hang upside down tonight.
Oh, bro, you hanging?
Big time. What's wrong with that? About 7/16.
Yeah, she looks a little bigger. Might be a 1/2.
Let's find out.
Either that or it's just not fitting in along the. No, it shouldn't be.
Oh, it's
Just all crustified in there.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Junk.
Greasy grainy. Gopher nuts.
Great big gobs of greasy grain gopher nuts guts.
Oh man, that's a good one.
So, are these valve covers different? Oh yeah, okay, we should be able to remember. I just trying to remember if we had to differentiate between left and right.
I wouldn't do that.
The oil fill is on the left.
Yeah, that's what I want you to remember. And up goes to the back. Try to remember that. That was underneath the inside.
Right. And I'm only charging him $400 a month to do this. Yeah.
Asshole.
Yeah.
Don't ever be this guy's brother.
Hey, you're the one that thought that was a good deal.
It's cheaper than the last one. Only by $25, but... Oh god, now I'm stuck.
You mean I could have charged you more?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's under the head.
But did you have to pay for utilities there too? See? I'm taking care of that. As long as he's not here for 18 years or some crap.
Taking full advantage.
All right, Kevin. I'm retiring and I'm selling the house. You need to move on.
Why not?
Well, tell me when you sell the house. I'll be out by the time it closes.
Yeah. Tell me when you give the keys to the new people.
I'll be out 10 minutes before.
Yeah.
Hey, new owners, welcome home. You need a roommate? I'm real good to live with. Well, you know, technically, anything that's left in the house when the paperwork is sold or when the paperwork is signed belongs to the new owners.
As long as I'm left in the house.
Right, then they're your responsibility. You're their responsibility.
Uh-oh, it's raining.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. Yeah, this is real exciting, I know. I make such awesome videos.
That's annoying.
Oh,
That's annoying me.
it's annoying him. We will remove this. Anybody want that? I'll put it up on eBay. Figure about $30. It's a Pearson BA / Kevin 92XJ original. Nope, no takers. All right. Oh, I'm dirty now. Look at that. Oh, geez. Oldsmobile.
Transformers.
Yeah, it's the old Transformer soundtrack.
Oh, is it?
Megan Fox is so hot. Too bad she's whacked in the head. You wanna hurry up? These poor people watching are getting a little bored right now.
Yeah, you hurry up.
I am hurrying up. I'm the one holding the camera. This had a fast forward feature. I'd be using it by now.
I'm just milking the clock, that's all.
Yeah, but you're paying me.
Hit this one?
Easy. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh man.
Right in the motor.
Jeez.
That side's dry. What's going on there? Maybe that's the bad side.
I don't know. We'll find out. There's a little bit of oil down there, but not a lot. You just gotta remember this thing.
That one. That's interesting.
It is. Wonder if it's had some head work before. Wonder if it's got some head before.
Put this over there.
Yes, I said that. I apologize to all those people on YouTube who were offended. But man, that was funny. I mean, you gotta remember though, this thing sat for 2 years and we didn't run it a whole lot.
Vacuum cleaner?
Fine.
Dirt I just dumped out.
Yeah, no kidding. Good thing it is dry. Grab your hose. Alrighty, we can probably shut this off now and let the poor people, take a break and watch somebody else's videos who are actually entertaining.
Yeah, this is about to get boring.
Yeah, because we're pulling heads. Well, there's only, 5 bolts per head?
It's gonna be a row on the bottom too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 probably.
Oh, they're there. Okay, I see them in there. Gotta pull the exhaust manifold to get to them though.
Yep, I gotta take the heads off anyways.
Shoot it. Okay, bye-bye.